And this is my world now. This is my world now.
Good morning. It's day whatever it says on the title. And I'm hiking with newly acquired trail name Snuggles and Amanda in the back. Let's see. And we're headed to Scissors Crossing. I'm convinced I'm probably the slowest person, so maybe I shouldn't be going first. But, okay, so last night we camped at, like, we didn't even go 5 miles. I'm rounding up, okay? Amanda, are you laughing? Amanda's laughing. She did not camp with us. She went 1,000,000 miles, but so I'm sitting there feeling sorry for myself because my hiking partner decided to hike her own hike for a second. No, it's okay. And she moved on. And I was like, dang it, I gotta keep going. Because it was a really sketchy place. I wouldn't have camped there. It was just, like, clearly there were, like, animals. I mean, that's what you come out here for, but, like, in the Lion King. And that was a really cool camp spot. And then I got some cool pictures of the stars. Girls, you would love it. But you would hate the heat. It's nice to have people to like hike with and talk to and blow off steam. Because, man, hiking alone near Sunrise Trailhead. I'm just getting all that YouTube drama. It was like, I couldn't have felt more alone. It was like the kind of reflection that you couldn't do in the moment. Like, I don't know. But anyway, today is going to be a great day. We are going into Julian. We know that all of our plans, and I knew at the time, were going to go out the window. So then I was like, okay, he'll pick me up in Warner Springs. Well, then that storm came in, and then just everything sort of fell apart. And I am only just now getting to Scissors. But I'm getting there, and I met Mr. Rambler. I'm a rambler too. All right, we have a good pace. Mr. Rambler's in the front, and Amanda, shout out to her sister who follows on Instagram. Super cool. Mr. Rambler has a YouTube page. Can't remember if I told you that. PCT 2021 Mr. Rambler. Okay. Scissors Crossing! I never see on videos like how you like what it looks like outside. Oh, there's that guy with the dog. He passed us yesterday. More PCTers. Hello. Jinx. Relentless. Are you guys hiking? Mm-hmm. Awesome. Cool. Do you want to be on? Or
I'm Buddy. Hikes with Mike Thorne on YouTube.
What is it?
Hikes with Mike Thorne.
Hikes with Mike Thorne. PCT 21, Mr. Rambler. It's right here.
Hey, what's up?
He's so awesome, setting the pace for us. Otherwise, I don't think we would have actually like gotten here as fast.
You're too generous.
Yeah, no, I'm not. I think that's it right there. And I don't recall, now I could be wrong. Please don't put negative comments below if I'm wrong. I don't recall a lot of filming of difficulty getting hitches. Granted, COVID wasn't a thing. And I got our first like legit hitch. We just stood out there, stuck our thumb out. It's pretty cool. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna get food and adult beverages and water. All right, guys, this is Legend, my favorite trail angel ever.
Hey everybody, welcome to Julian. Met Hot Mess a couple of days ago and completely reformed one of my things. So it's, if a hot mess becomes a small mess and then it becomes a message, listen to what she's got to say. Follow her story on Instagram. I'm 58 years old, I've been doing this for 10 years, but I learned from her just the other day. What do you think of that?
I think Legend's amazing, and he's probably...
We're going to become famous characters on the trail.
Okay. That sounds great. Me 4 times, because I think I've been here 3 or 4 times, but he's awesome. If you're in Julian or Scissors Crossing and you need a hitch, he's your dude. Bye!
And you can visit us at www.legendandhotmess.com.
Hike. Fast or slow, miles are miles.